This is a story of you, a story of me, an internal story of life. The story begins with a single egg cell. The egg cell is produced from ovary. It is surprising that egg cells begin to form before a girl was born. So to some extent, you have one state inside your grandma's uterus. Only one egg cell will start developing after puberty. After 4 weeks' times of development, the egg cell will become mature and burst out of the ovary and into the funnel of the oviduct. This process is called ovulation, and it occurred once a month, which is part of the process that is commonly referred as period. From here, the ovum is wafted down the oviduct by the action of cilia in the lining of tube. Cilia are finger-like projections on the wall of oviduct. The egg cell will move very slowly, and if it isn't fertilized within 8 to 24 hours, it will die. When there's a sexual arousal in the male, the blood flows in the erectile tissue and the penis becomes firm and erect. In the act of sexual copulation, the male places the penis into the female's vagina, and a sensory stimulus from sensation causes a reflex, an innate and automatic reaction in male, which results in the ejaculation of semen containing sperm in the top of the vagina. Fertilization is the epic story of a single sperm facing incredible odds. A single ejaculation may contain over 300 million sperms. Soon afterward, millions of them will either float out of vagina or die in its acidic environment. The sperm, survived by the protection of fluid, swim through the cervix and into the uterus by wriggling their tails. Some sperm are caught in the folds of cervix, but the remaining sperm continue. After the destruction of the female's immune system, only a few hundred will reach the oviduct, and only one will fertilize the ovum. The released ovum is closed in a jelly-like coat and is still surrounded by a layer of follicle cells. Before fertilization can occur, sperm have to get through this layer. When the sperm reach the layer, the specialized receptor triggers their acrosomes to release digestive enzymes, enabling the sperm to digest the jelly coat of the egg cells and burrow into the layer. The first sperm to make a contact will fertilize the egg, forming a fertilized ovum or zygote. Starting from this moment, the egg cells will spend a few more hours in the oviduct, whilst dividing via the process of mitosis continually. After the fertilized egg cell or the zygote have reached the uterus, it will be fixed and covered by the wall of uterus by the process of implantation. It will start developing, and after 9 months, the fetus will be given birth. This is the common story of all of us. The beauty of life is the very process of cells altering to you. The complex human, the charm of biology is the shared unity of life. The intriguing nature of biology is the moment you realize that, as you're watching this video, a splendid story of life is being written continually. Anyway, thanks for watching this animation and hope you enjoy.